Hello, my name is Bennett Price. My partner is Nathan White, and I just wanted to give you a quick overview of our project we've made. So, Nathan and I created what we call just an RPG. It's just a game we've made in Excel. To those of you who don't know what RPG is, it stands for role-playing game. It's just a type of video game. We have a character, you go around, you go on quests, you get experience and gold and stuff. It's kind of fun. So, first let's show you how to play. So, to begin our quest, we have to go back to the main menu page, as it says. And follow the instructions that it gives us. When the map finally appears, it'll ask us first to generate a map, actually. But when the map does appear, we'll use the arrow keys up, down, left, right to move our character. Our character is just the selected box. And as we move, it will give an opportunity for monsters to show up. So let's start with that. The other thing is, this is not meant to be edited in any way, so like you can't type stuff unless it's specifically in like a text box. So let's go back. Let's start the quest. As you know, it has a story. Tells you what to do. I'm lost. Help us. Okay, so we go. We create our character. This is actually someone my wife put in this name. It's someone from Wheel of Time. If you've ever seen that, it's not important. So next, you should choose your class. We're gonna be a rogue, I guess. Oh no, let's try that again. Create a different name. Is that so? Yes, it's a habit. Lord of the Rings fans. Okay, we're ready to begin. It shows our character sheet. Right? And we'll proceed with the world. It tells us, hey, you need to generate a map. So, decide that's what we're going to do. So, mine can only be at least 28, 27. So I'm going to make mine 26, because that's how many rows show. Columns only goes to double. So I'm just going to be like, let's say 30. That seems like a good amount. Generate. Can we see A1? Yes, we can. Yes, it fits. It generates us. Here we are. Now we can move around. Oh no, we ran into a monster. The monsters are randomly generated, so we have our different ways to attack. We can use magic, we can use sword, bow. If you look, these aren't set. So, see, every time you push it randomly, it'll give you a chance to hit it or not. So you can attack with a different thing. Oh no, we missed again. And when we win, we get gold and stuff. See that, our character stats, see we have 15 gold. So go back to our world. We keep looking. Oh no, we ran into another world. So let's try to clear this stuff. We won. And as you go, you can run into travelers. As you see, we don't have enough gold, but you can pay to increase your stats. We'll do this later. Let's run into this cave. So that's what the C is. That's for a cave. All of the commas here, the commas are just terrain. The C's are caves, T's are travelers, H is your home, and then W is wreckage. So go to this cavern. Yes, let's go to the cave. So attack, fight. If you look, every time I hit, his health or my health goes down. So that's kind of fun. We win. And that is how our game goes. And when you want to restart, so you want to create the game, go back to main menu, and it restarts. Thank you so much.